Within SUNERGY, we want to develop a large-scale initiative with international appeal. And we currently have about 30 partners and 300 supporters from various origins, actually from academia, industry, from the society as a whole, governmental bodies. And why we want to do this? Because we want to find an alternative to fossil fuels, sustainable and also competitive alternatives to fossil resources which we currently use to make the materials around us, including fuels.
In long run, SUNERGY technologies, when fully optimized and developed, will provide negative carbon dioxide emissions, which means we'll be able to recycle carbon dioxide from waste to useful materials.
To achieve the goals in the Clean Planet European Strategy and the Green Deal, we need to exploit all climate mitigation options as well as breakthrough solutions and technologies. Thus, we urgently need large investments in research and innovation to upscale fossil-free solutions.
It will take 30 years to achieve a global ecological transition. We need to deliver now what we have, and within 10 years it will be possible to transform a successful industrial development into a successful product.